What if I told you, you no longer have to choose between quality and control? Today, I'm testing two powerful AI models inside one platform, Kling 3.0 versus Seedance 2.0. Let's see what they can really do. Before we start, let me show you one more example, using the same prompt on both models and the results I got. Now, let's start. First, I open my browser and search for Dzine AI. Then, select the official website where you can try it for free before purchasing. After logging in, you'll see your available credits along with multiple features like AI image, AI video, motion control, and lip sync. For your convenience, the link is also in the description. I click on New Project and choose the reference option, then select the model, starting with Seedance 2.0. After setting the screen size, uploading the reference image, and adding my prompt, I click Generate and wait a few seconds. Result is here. The result comes out smooth, realistic, and exactly as expected. Now, for comparison, I create the same video using the exact same image, prompt, and settings. But this time, I select Kling 3.0. Here in Kling 3.0, you can see another option called multi-shot, which I will explain shortly. Adjust the screen size, turn the sound on, and generate again. After a short wait, result is here.
Go! Go!
The result from Kling is also impressive.
Go fast! Power!
Both outputs are highly realistic and visually appealing. Each model delivers excellent results, depending on the type of video you want, making them both powerful and attractive choices. Now, I want to generate a video using the first and last frame option. I select that option and choose the model, starting with Seedance 2.0. I upload the first and last images, add my prompt, and click Generate. After a few moments, the result appears.
Do you want some worms?
Daddy, don't change the subject.
These worms are so delicious. When you're older, you'll understand.
You did again.
Eat.
And as you can see, the video is very smooth with high-quality motion. Now, to compare, I create the same video using the same frames but switch the model to Kling 3.0. Now I use the multi-shot option, where you can divide the script into separate shots, shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, and so on. I have added 6 shots and set the total video duration to 15 seconds, so adjust each shot's duration accordingly, around 2-3 seconds per shot. Set proper framing and make sure the sound is turned on. I click Generate again, and after a short wait, result is here.
Do you want some worms?
Daddy, don't change the subject.
These worms are so delicious. When you're older, you'll understand. Eat.
Oof.
You did it again.
The result from Kling is also smooth, with excellent motion control. Let me show you one more example. The prompt I used and the result I got. So that's the showdown. Kling 3.0 for precise creative control and Seedance 2.0 for stunning cinematic visuals. You don't have to choose. Dzine AI gives you both in one place. Try it yourself using free credits. The link is also in the description. And let me know in comments. Are you team quality or team control?